Welcome, everyone, to the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter, the April edition, 2025. Some stuff going on in the markets. It's actually been kind of calm lately. Volatility is not as high as you think it would be. Um, Interest rates are coming down. That's a good sign. Just looking for some positive signs in the economy. I also noticed that rail traffic is up 6.2% from the previous year, so that's a good sign. So we'll see what happens here. There's some other negative signs. You see gold going through 3,000. So we'll have to keep an eye out as we go forward in the market, and we'll see the effects of tariffs overall. If they actually happen, we don't know. Just a couple of housekeeping notes for you people. Remember, you have till April 15th to make those IRA and Roth IRA deductions for 2024, so do that. And then from a Highball advisor's point, for those looking to book meetings, there will be no meetings available in April and May, and then I restart the meetings in June because I'm doing client work in April and May. So it will open up in June if you're looking to do a boarding for railroad retirement meeting. All right, so with that out of the way, the whiteboard for the month is how the elimination of Social Security tax affect your railroad retirement, right? There's talk about maybe eliminating the tax on Social Security benefits. So that would spill over to the Tier 1 portion of your railroad retirement annuity. Check out that video, very interesting there. It's just projections, so we'll see. The mailbag, how will your survivor's annuity for railroad retirement be calculated if I'm not at full retirement age, right? So that's proper planning. The spousal annuity is a big part of railroad retirement. You have to understand what that calculation is going to be, especially if you're not going to be at full retirement age. So check out that video. And then the checklist for the month is the taxation guide to withholding and income sources, right? So how do IRAs get taxed? How Roth IRAs get taxed? How 401ks get taxed? How taxable accounts get taxed? All that is in that chart. So check that out. Annuities, how they all get taxed. And then finally, the economic chart of the month is what I referenced a little bit earlier. It said despite what's been going on in the market, volatility in the market is a historically low number. And even when you look at what the market's done for the year, it's down on the year 3%, maybe 4% at the time of this recording. But it really hasn't been too volatile yet. So listen, everybody, enjoy your April, all right? And please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.